Hi, it's Dr. Jessie at Resonant Frequency Medicine, and this is an exercise I give my patients who are working on motor control of the eyes and vagus nerve and parasympathetic stimulation techniques to help with stress, anxiety, and overall healing and well-being. So the basic premise of this exercise is that you're creating figure eights with your eyes open. So you can hold a pen or your finger out in front of the body and then look at the tip of your finger with both eyes, and first start with small figure eight shapes. So small figure eights, and notice which direction did you go first. And with these small figure eights, after you've repeated about 10, gazing at the tip of your finger with your eyes, change directions. And just notice, does it feel more difficult to go this direction? What do the eyes do? And then grow the figure eights bigger and bigger and slower too, until you are going all the way to the edge of your visual field. And you might notice as you practice this that there is a space in your visual field where it's a little more challenging for your eye, or maybe you go double. And just notice these areas of challenge and the areas of ease. And then I'm going to change directions again after about 8 or 10 in each direction. So now I'm going maximal all the way to the edge of my visual field. And I'm trying not to move the head. And then you can also switch hands. Notice which hand you used first. Usually it's the dominant hand that shows up to do that work. And start over with just 8 small figure eights, noticing which direction you went first with the opposite hand. And then going to bigger and changing directions. So 8 in each direction. And then if you want to go even further, use your foot. So like use your toes. You should be sitting down and watching the tip of your big toe as you draw figure eights. And then maybe draw really big figure eights with your foot as well. And these are just different ranges of your visual field that you're exploring. Exercising the peripheral vision and the motor control through and past midline to all help enhance your relaxation response. Being able to access your peripheral field helps the nervous system to feel a sense of safety. When we're not safe, the nervous system gets very myopic, and we're scanning for danger, one thing at a time, very myopic and hyper-focused. So this type of broadening exercise helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and your visual field laterally.